Best Buy is packed with useful product data for product research, price tracking, and competitor analysis. But collecting all that information by hand can take forever. So in this video, I'll show you how to scrape Best Buy product listings in one click and turn them into a clean spreadsheet without any manual copying and pasting. The tool I'm using is Thunderbit. You can install its Chrome extension and open it anytime you need. Open Best Buy in Chrome, search for the products you want, then open Thunderbit and click one-click extract. Thunderbit's AI agent will analyze the page, detect the product listing layout, and prepare the extraction fields for you. You can quickly review the suggested fields like product name, brand, price, rating, number of reviews, URL, and more. When it comes to pagination, the default is 5 pages, but you can choose until end or set a custom number, up to 200 pages. If everything looks good, click Run Now. Thunderbit will collect the product listings in the background and organize everything into a structured table. Once it's done, you'll get a clean table with the Best Buy product listings neatly organized. You can copy, download, or share the table, or export the data in the format you need, like Excel, CSV, or JSON. And that's how you scrape Best Buy product listings in one click with AI using Thunderbit. Use it for product research, price tracking, competitor analysis, and more. Try Thunderbit free at thunderbit.com.